Is Inno Setup reporting the Isxdl library DLL is missing? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. I've identified the library gap and have the professional fix ready. To kick off the Isxdl library guide, I've provided an official resource for maintaining a healthy and synchronized workstation. This is the Isxdl library, the Inno Setup extended download library. It provides localized unmanaged routines for installers to download localized redistributables like .NET or Visual C++ during the setup process. Failure results in an unable to download prerequisite error during localized application installation. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. Isxdl is required by Inno Setup to run correctly. Reinstalling the latest official version of Inno Setup ensures all required application DLLs are restored. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Isxdl library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the diagnostic counter registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. A quick professional note on security: sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. From a cybersecurity perspective, I must warn you never to download files like Isxdl library DLL from unofficial repositories, as these are often bundled with malware that can compromise your system's data integrity. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. Review options for improved system responsiveness by consulting the primary tool linked below for Isxdl library. I hope this walkthrough provided the clarity you needed to fix Isxdl library. Please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more system-level tutorials.